Welcome FRC students to the new year of 2019. This year, we're going to be seeing some major changes done to the programming side of things as the FRC community rolls out support for the new Visual Studio IDE, which will be replacing last year's Eclipse IDE. This year's installation is easier than ever before with FRC's new package installer, an all-in-one bundle installer where all download resources are located together, meaning with just a click of a button, you'll be ready to start programming. Let's get started by checking the bit version of our computer. Simply go to the Start menu and type in DXDiag. From here, you'll see your Windows OS and to the right, the bit version. Either 32 or 64 will appear, and that should let us know which installer we'll be using to download our resources. Now that you know what bit your computer is, go to the internet browser and type in FRC Java 2019 and click on the second link. Once you've landed on this page, click Installing C++ and Java Development Tools for FRC. I'm going to be clicking on Windows since I have a Windows computer. And I'm going to be going to the blue link that says GitHub under the yellow box. Remembering your bit version from DXDiag, download the one that corresponds to your computer. You should see the zip folder appear in your Downloads folder. Right click on it and open with File Explorer. Inside the zip folder should be an executable file. You want to click and drag to your desktop. The icon should appear, right click and run as administrator. If Windows pops up with this message, click more info and click run anyway. Once this appears, click select/download VS Code. This box should now appear and you want to click the download button on the left. Once your download's finished, go back to this page and make sure all the boxes are checked and then click execute. This message should pop up if your executable was successful. Three icons should be placed on your desktop. Double click on FRC VS Code 2019. Once you're in VS Code, click on the last icon on the left. This should bring you to the extensions menu. You're going to want to type in Java. Once you see Java extension pack, click on it and click on the green install button. Once it's done, click on the blue reload button. This should refresh your VS Code. Now click on Add Workspace folder. I'm going to make a folder in my documents called Code. The folder name should now appear in the navigator. Now navigate to the top right and click on the red W. Type in Set Team Number. Once you've done that, click on it. This new box should appear and this is where you're going to type in your team number. Our team number is 6145. To start programming, hit the F1 key to pull up the search menu. If the search menu doesn't appear, hold down Fn and then press F1. Fn is located by the Alt button on the bottom left of your keyboard. Type in Create a New Project and hit Enter. Select a project type and there's going to be two, Template and Example. We're going to be showing some example code, so click on Example. Then click on Java. And then we're going to be clicking on Getting Started for our first code. It's going to ask us for a project folder. Click on that and then click on Select Folder. Next, it's going to ask you for a project name. You can type in whatever you want. Finally, it's going to ask you for your team number again. Type in 6145 and click Generate. And then click Yes. Click Do Not Save. Once you're here, you can click on SRC, which stands for Source. Click on Java. And then you're going to see this pop up. Just hit Allow Access. The two main components you're going to be working with is main.java and robot.java. Get familiar with the code inside as you'll be working with these two for the majority of the time. Once you're comfortable enough with the example code, we can now go back to the page and click on Template and then Java, and we can start coding our own original robot code.